Do you want to see how I can fit all of this? Into only a carry-on? For a 10-day trip? In order to make this work, here's a couple of tips. First, choose pieces in a similar color palette and ones that can interchange easily. Second, pack a few Woolite detergent packets so you can safely wash items in your hotel sink when needed. Outfit number 1 is what I'd wear on the flight there. A denim shirt, V-neck top, long necklace, a leopard scarf, easy to wear slides, and my favorite black leggings. Outfit number 2 can be a little dressier. I pair it with my suede booties, some leather-like leggings, the same shirt and leopard scarf from the day before, a gold bracelet, and statement earrings. And if it's chilly, a little black cardigan. Outfit number 3 can be for a warmer day. Just a basic t-shirt with the suede booties from the day before. Jazz it up with a tassel necklace and some statement earrings and your favorite distressed jeans. Outfit number 4, for a more casual look, wear your favorite sneakers. I chose a metallic, paired it up with the same jeans but cuffed them this time. Added an army green vest and a cute dotted shirt and some colorful tassel earrings. Outfit number 5 is perfect for walking around. The same top from the day before, jazzed up with a long gold necklace, your comfortable slides, and some great leggings in a pop of color. Compare them with the same tassel earrings from the day before. Outfit number 6 uses layers so you can be prepared for any climate. The same denim shirt and the polka dot top with the tassel earrings from before, and the pop of color in your comfortable leggings. And a metallic sneaker lets you be cute but casual. Outfit number 7 would be perfect for a cooler day of sightseeing. Your comfortable metallic shoes, paired with your favorite distressed jeans, a super soft chambray shirt with a statement necklace. Outfit number 8 is both comfortable and chic. Your chambray shirt and V-neck from the day before, a statement earring, your velvet slides, and your leather-like leggings. You can jazz it up with your leopard scarf. Outfit number 9 is super cozy. Your leather leggings make it look a little more dressy, and your velvet slides keep your feet comfortable, paired with your white gold hoops, long necklace, and a super soft bell sleeve sweater. Outfit number 10 is perfect for the flight home. Your easy to wear slides, your cozy sweater, jazzed up with your white gold hoops, and a comfortable warm scarf, and your favorite black leggings. I always pack a lightweight foldable bag in case I want to bring any items back from my trip. It's always helpful to pack a first aid kit so you're always prepared. In the other side, I pack my toiletries, makeup, brushes, and shoes. One space-saving tip is to fill your shoes with smaller items. I usually put my toothbrush case and hairspray. Don't be afraid to rearrange a little bit. Being a packing ninja means that you gotta be good at Tetris. Packing light doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. I challenge you to use these tips to pack an only a carry-on for your next trip, and if you do, be sure to tag me on Instagram. Another tip for all you shoppers out there, don't extend your suitcase on the way there. That'll leave room so you can bring your treasures back with you. Just saying.